I'm Prashant Menon. I'm responsible for channels in UAE and Oman. I've been with Checkpoint Software Technologies in the Middle East for the past 5 years. So, GITEX this year has been absolutely fabulous. If you look at the footfall this year, it is unparalleled. We did not expect this kind of crowd coming into GITEX. That clearly shows that it's looking good for enterprises out here, and the business is definitely on. When it comes to Checkpoint, let me keep you informed that we might be the only cybersecurity company who's actually offering you security solutions right at the network level, endpoint, cloud, and mobile. I can proudly say that we are the only cybersecurity company having this kind of breadth of solutions. And if you look at the customers, they are pretty much after some of the branding that we have recently done are the likes of Quantum, Harmony, and CloudGuard. Quantum is specifically for network security, Harmony is for end user and access, and CloudGuard has everything got to do with your assets on the cloud, and we secure them fabulously. We have an innovative partner program where we are bringing in new breed of partners, and they are pretty much excited with the offerings that we have got to do. So for example, there's a lot of channel offerings, a lot of channel incentives to be positioning Checkpoint on the ground, a lot of new customer incentives. Checkpoint in this particular region is after new customers. We definitely have a good breadth of existing customers. We have cracked a lot of opportunities in the government sector with our channel offerings. Channel is definitely excited to work with Checkpoint at this point in time. Cloud is the order of the day. We see a lot of customers actually putting in a lot of emphasis in terms of migrating to the cloud. The momentum is definitely out there. We are making sure that we have a lot of born in the cloud partners getting into the channel programs of Checkpoint, and as I see the horizon definitely is out there, wherein we see a lot of customers and partners equally interested in clouds. So we are definitely after them as well. As I see with the breadth of offerings that we have on the cloud security solutions, customers are flocking towards Checkpoint at this point in time. So when it comes to Checkpoint, we are very clear that we are one of the best when it comes to network security. Our EDR solution is absolutely next to none, and our cloud security solutions has got a lot of plethora of solutions which is pretty much innovative when it comes to securing assets on the cloud, be it AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Alibaba, all of them. We have solutions for security posture management on the cloud. We are actually securing born in the cloud applications as well. Okay, when it comes to advanced metrics like Kubernetes, Dockers, all of these areas is something that Checkpoint is definitely specializing in. And at the end of the day, we are giving them an environment to have a good in-depth view as to what is happening on the cloud, so they get an absolute bird's eye view as to what is happening across their cloud assets. In fact, let me keep you informed that Checkpoint in this region has been around for close to 15 years. So if you look at Checkpoint, we were a team of 3 or 4 people, almost close to 5 years back. As we speak, we are a team of around 18 people on the ground and growing. We have a lot of people coming into Checkpoint to specialize in certain specific areas. We have recruitments happening on the cloud security side of things. So that clearly means that we are here to stay, and the kind of money that the organization is actually putting in, we do see that it is only going to go upwards. Definitely, we are looking very positive when it comes to the outlook in this particular market, and we are here to stay.